Hello, everyone. I'm Alicia. Welcome to Mission Vocab. Today's advanced English vocabulary word is enterprise. Enterprise is a noun that means a business or organization or an important project or activity, especially one requiring effort, planning, and initiative to succeed. For example, the family turned a small weekend bakery into a successful enterprise, eventually hiring employees and opening a second location across town. Restoring the abandoned theater became a community enterprise requiring months of fundraising, volunteer work, and careful planning before the historic building could reopen safely. Launching the research expedition was an ambitious enterprise because the team had to secure funding, organize supplies, and prepare carefully for difficult conditions overseas. Synonyms for enterprise include venture, undertaking, business, company, and endeavor. Enterprise is often used in business and project contexts, and it emphasizes organized effort, initiative, or ambition, not simply any ordinary task or activity. That's enterprise. One word, stronger English.